Lincoln has more ways to make your life that much more effortless. Your Lincoln has a convenience feature that makes it quick and simple to fold the second and third row seats flat to give you additional cargo space when needed. To fold the 60/40 split fold third row seat backs flat from the rear of the vehicle, locate the PowerFold controls in the rear cargo area here. Press and release the third row fold button for whichever side you want to fold, or you can press the center one to fold both sides simultaneously. To return them to the upright position, press and release the center button to unfold both, or the button for the side you want to return to the upright position. You'll then need to lift the head restraints into the desired position. For comfort versatility, third row passengers also have a power seat back recline feature. To recline, press the back of the control button located on the third row side panel and the front of it to tilt forward. Likewise, the second row seat backs can also be folded. Using the second row power folding controls, press and release the left, middle, or right fold button. To unfold them, you'll need to manually lift the seat back up until you hear it click into the locked position. We hope we've answered your questions. For more information, please visit owner.lincoln.com.